breathe very, very slow with the whole body. It's called feather breath. If somebody puts a feather next to your nose, feather shouldn't tremble. That's slow. But you have to breathe, feel your whole body is breathing in. Usually you breathe like this, right? This is my speed. Breath in, breath out. But here I am saying, try this anytime. You will notice immediately everything starts to calm and harmonize. Just 5 minutes of slow breath, your mind becomes quiet. It's not that complicated. So this slow breathing, I call it Om breathing. When you will breathe, feel that your breath is nothing but sound of Om. Whole body is vibrating Om and breath is coming in as sound of Om. And breath is going out as a sound of Om. So whole body breathing, this is the cosmic movement into you, right? The breath is coming. Be into it. Be into that present and movement.